video, I thought I'd take you out on my fire escape for a little makeup tutorial. Ever since I moved into Manhattan, I've been romanticizing this fire escape. It feels so quintessential New York to me, and it was a huge draw in choosing this apartment. I haven't utilized it as much as I should, so I thought we'd do a fun little video out here today. And what's better than doing your makeup in the natural light? This look is featuring some new makeup, the Natasha Denona Glam Palette and Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. So let's get started. Before makeup, the last step in my skincare routine was the Embryolisse Late Cream Concentrate Moisturizer because it's great for your skin and a perfect base under makeup. Then, of course, the most important step was I applied sunscreen. This is the Centella Unscented Sunscreen SPF 50. This is the most important part of this tutorial, is to protect your skin. Then I applied Glossier's new fig flavored balm.com to prep my lips. I love the soft reddish orange color that it gives. And then we're ready to go. So starting out with makeup, I first applied the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. It has this silvery, pearly glow, but it's water-based and very light on the skin with no sulfates or parabens, so it's a great healthy base. Then to get even more glowy, I applied the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter all over my cheeks and forehead to make sure that when I apply my foundation, I'm glowing from underneath. I tried the Rare Beauty foundation but returned it, so I'm sticking with my NARS Sheer Glow foundation and applying it with the Rare Beauty foundation brush. I did keep this brush because it applied foundation so evenly and flawlessly, and it was so soft. Next, I'm just touching up any leftover spots that need concealer with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Then, to lock everything in place and make sure that my makeup doesn't move, I'm applying a translucent powder. This one is the Wowder from Glossier. And I love how it has this little trampoline cushion to get the powder out. Okay, now we're switching to eyes for a bit. And today I'm using the new Natasha Denona Glam Palette. I really like this palette, how the colors are both natural and sparkly to give you that really like glowy eye look, and they're super pigmented as well. So I'm only going to use my fingers here. Starting with this pink in the top left, I'm going to put that right on the center of my eyelid. It's a really beautiful shimmery pink shade that will really make your eyes pop. Then next, I'm just going to dab a bit of this top middle sparkly brown shade onto the outer third of my eye just to give it some dimension. And then just taking this top middle very light sparkly pink shade and applying that to my inner corners and also to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm just curling my lashes with the Surratt eyelash curler and applying a mascara that has no name because it's a sample from a friend, but any volumizing lengthening mascara will do. After that, we're coming back to the face. To give my complexion a warm, sun-kissed, healthy glow, I'm applying this Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer in Light. It's a beautiful, flattering blend with a hint of shimmer. And then I'm going in with a highlighter. This is the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in Enlighten, which is again a really pretty pearl shade. I love how easy it is to use this with the doe foot applicator, so I'm just applying it to the high points of my cheeks, nose, and Cupid's bow. Then my favorite blush at the moment is this Kosas 8th Muse. It's described as a skin conditioning, good for you, clean formula, and I actually couldn't agree more. It's a really creamy, blendable blush, and it's this really peachy pink shade. And I just feel like blush pulls the whole look together, and I put a tiny bit on my nose too. It's just a thing I've always done. Coming back to the eyes quickly, I thought I needed a tiny bit of definition on my upper lids, so I'm using this middle dark shade on my lash line with this tiny angled brush. It's just meant to give a softer lifted look versus a liquid eyeliner. Last but not least, I'm finishing this makeup look off with a bold lip. I have two from Rare Beauty in Inspire and Brave. Here I was deciding which one to go for, and I decided on Brave. It's a liquid lipstick that doesn't dry your lips out, but the color still lasts all day. And that's it for my makeup look.